following tutorial is designed for experienced computer users. Hi, this training exercise is to demonstrate how to use DSynchronize to synchronize the content of a folder on your computer and a folder on an external storage device such as a USB key or a portable hard drive. To enable you to participate in this exercise, you will need a computer, an internet connection to download the DSynchronize exec file, a USB key or an external hard drive. To get started, go to http://demo.altavista.org/eng/ in your web browser and scroll down to find the download link to DSynchronize version 2.30.1 and save it to your desktop. The file comes in as a zip folder and has to be unpackaged. Double click on the file to start the unzip wizard. Right, let's have a go at doing this. Open up your web browser. Okay, so here's our web browser. It's Mozilla Firefox, and I've already typed in the link, the address to the page we're looking for. So, if you can do this, and we'll press go to get to the page. Right, here we are on the demo web page, and what we do is we scroll down just a little bit below halfway, I think it is. Yeah, here it is, and we'll find the DSynchronize application. You can have a read through that if you like. Some information there. What we're looking for is this link here. So we click on this link, and with this option here, and we're going to save the file and press OK. Now, it doesn't take long, so we've got our download showing here. So we're going to right click on that and open the containing folder, and here we have the zip folder here. Now, if you could right click on that and choose cut and go back to your desktop, just for convenience sake for finding it, if we could just press paste, and there is our file here. And what we want to do on that now is right click on it again and extract here, and just down here, here's our folder with the desynchronization exec inside it. So if we open up that folder and just scroll down here to desynchronization exec here and just click on that, and this is what we're looking for. So close that off in the background there. Okay. Okay. Now that we have the desynchronized downloaded and opened, we are going to create a folder called test on the desktop and copy that folder to the USB key, thus creating two folders. Once that is done, we will add some content to the desktop folder, another folder and a text document, say for example. Once this is done, we will open DSynchronize and create the paths between the two folders that we have created and set some options in desynchronization and let the desynchronization application do its stuff. Right, back to the desktop. Hi, we're back at the desktop. Here you can see I've created a folder called test. So we're going to right click on that, and we're going to press copy, go up to computer, click on that, and here we can see all our local disks. And here is our removable storage device, removable disk G. So we'll just click on that to open it. There we go. And in here, we're going to paste the test folder. So now you can see we have a test folder here, and we have one here. So we'll just get this out of the way for the minute. Now, I've also created a folder called Hi and a hello text file. So we'll open that up, and it just says hello USB. Close that out of the way. So what we'll do is we'll drag and drop that into the Hi folder, and we'll drag and drop the Hi folder into the test folder on the desktop. So if we open that up, you can see the Hi folder, and inside that, the whole old test. Close that now. Now we're going to go back to DSynchronize. We'll click on that and get the desynchronization exec up and running. Now, as you can see, we have two boxes up here, a source and a destination. So what we need to do is go into this, and if you just scroll over it, you can see press enter to modify the path and delete it. Page up or page down to move it up or down, because you can have several options available in this. So we're just going to hover over it and press enter to modify the path. Now, what we're going to do is get on this left-hand side, because it's the source folder on our desktop, we're going to browse and find that folder. So here we are. I have options here, and what you want to be looking for is users. And my users one is called mine. Yours might have your name on it or something else. So we'll click on that, and there's our desktop. We're going to drop down the option right there, and there's test. That's the folder we want to find. So we just click on that and press OK. So as you can see, the source file has changed from what it was to C users my desktop test, and that's the folder test. Now, over the destination side, we want to find our G drive, our USB key, where our other test folder is. So let's just hover over that and press enter. Problem here. Now, there we go. So let's browse for that. Here we go. Took a little time to come along. So now, if we just scroll down here, we can see computer again, and we can see removable drive G. We'll just click on that, and we'll open up a little bit there, and there we can see test. So just highlight test and press OK. Now, as you can see, we have G, our USB key, and our folder test. So we'll be going from users my desktop test folder over to test. Now down here is the generals option section. There's different options of what you can choose here. But for this, we're going to say copy only new files, and we're going to say bidirectional synchronization. That will copy both ways between both folders, even though one folder is already empty. And we'll just play a sound when done. So if we press synchronize over here, oh, that was very fast, already done. So we will close out of DSynchronize for the moment. Let's get this out the way. Our test folder is still here with its content still intact. We'll go over to computer. We will open up removable DSynchronize, and there is our test folder inside there again. Open that up, and there's Hi folder and our hello text document. And there it says hello USB. Wow. But everything is the same. Let's inside here while we're here. Let's just do this. We'll create a new text document. We won't rename it, we'll just open it, and we'll type in there hello desktop, and file, save, close that out the way, get this out the way, open up our desynchronization again. There it is, up and running. So we know we have a text document on our USB key that doesn't exist on our desktop. As I say, we've allowed bidirectional synchronization. So we'll press synchronize again. Whoa, there's the beep, already done. So let's close that out the way. And close that out the way. I want to have a look at our test document, our test folder here on our desktop. We'll press Hi. And there's our new text document coming from our USB key. We'll open that up, and it says Hello Desktop. Okay, a brief summary. We've used DSynchronize to take the contents from this folder on our desktop and put it onto this folder on our removable disk. Also, we've taken some content from the folder on our removable disk here and put it back on our test folder on our desktop. Thank you for listening to this tutorial on DSynchronize.